Now let me introduce how to install healthy DIY for spikes. As you see, here have four kind of parts here. First, the three kind of spikes: the middle, the nearby, and the outside. Now let me show you how to install them together. First, we put the middle inside in the middle holes. Here have 5 holes. First we put the middle inside, and then put the nearby spikes. At the end, we put the outside for the spikes. In this way, it will finish. Now, if you need the wider, you can use your hand. Do it like this, and you can change the shape as you like. That's all.